Hey, what's up guys, this is Sky, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a multi-boot USB pendrive using Ventoy. So let's get started. Using Ventoy, you don't need to reformat your pendrive every time you change your ISO file in the pendrive. So first of all, what you need to do is open your web browser and search for Ventoy. Click on the first link and download Ventoy for your respected operating system. Since I'm on Windows right now, I'm going to download the first link, which is Ventoy-Windows, but if you are on Linux or other operating system, then choose according to your OS. After you have downloaded Ventoy, just extract the zip file and insert your pendrive, which is at least 8 GB, because you need to put multiple ISO files in it. After inserting your pendrive, open the Ventoy file which is shown on the screen. Now it should automatically detect your pendrive, but if it doesn't, then you have to manually select it from this drop down list and make sure that correct pendrive is selected. And after that, you can just click on install and it will install Ventoy on your pendrive. This process should not take too long because Ventoy is a very small file. If later in the future, if a new Ventoy version comes out, then you can also update the Ventoy using the same tool. After installing Ventoy on your pendrive, now it is ready to use it as a multi-boot USB. Now you can just copy and paste the ISO file which you want to boot from into the pendrive without any hassle. So let me show you an example. I'm going to dual boot, suppose Windows 10 and Ubuntu. So I can just copy the both ISO files into my pendrive and it is ready to go. This copying process may take some time, so I'm just going to cut this part. So finally the copying process is completed. Now you can just restart your computer and boot from your pendrive to check if it is working or not. Also, if you are using a UEFI system, then you might need to disable secure boot to boot into the USB. So follow a guide for your system to disable secure boot, and if you are using Asus laptop, then you can follow mine. Press F2 to boot into BIOS menu while your computer is starting, and while under BIOS menu, disable secure boot and press F10 to save the changes and exit BIOS menu. Now while your computer is starting again, press either F12 key or escape key to boot into the boot menu and choose the generic flash disk or USB option to boot from the pendrive. Now as you can see, we are presented with Ventoy boot screen. Now we can choose between the ISO file which we just copied to the pendrive. As you can see, we copied Windows and X Ubuntu. Now you can choose to boot from any of these ISO files. So that's it for the video guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you.